Look at that, the rain picked up, it's starting to pour. Today is July 24th, 2022. It's a Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. Might be looking like my 9 o'clock appointment's not going to happen today. It's only 5, but this weather is picking up pretty hard. The sun is coming up now. It's actually a lot darker than the camera's actually picking up. For you guys, it looks like the sun is partially up. It's actually not. This right here is about 50 shades darker than it actually is on camera. But the sun is coming up. The wind has calmed down a little bit. It's not as windy as it was. Focus! Thank you. Yeah, they are pretty big drops. Focus. I guess we'll see how well the tape on Sky's window works. There is a trash bag taped to the roof, but I already got the sunroof closed, so even if that bag rips off, it's not a big deal. It's not really necessary or needed. The sunroof is closed now, the tape on the bag on the roof has held up pretty well, because even though the window was open for almost a year, it was only cracked open like this much, which was doing of the fire department. But you know, it is, weather is getting pretty hectic out here. You can see how much it's raining if I turn this light on. I'm hoping this Christie's hot blue glue, because I just glued all of these PVC pipes with the drippers yesterday. I literally got done at like 9 p.m. yesterday, so I'm hoping that glue has had enough time to dry. These are pretty big drops. They're good, I don't know, 1/4 inch round drops of rain coming from what feels like the southeast, because it's coming mainly, it's hitting this side of the house. It's actually not raining right here. You can see that I'm wet. But beautiful weather. I've never ever had it rain like this. As long as I've lived in Arizona, it's never rained like this. From here, I can see the water sheeting across the road. It's not really going to show up really well. Oh, you might see it. If you look right here and across to the back of Beast, you might see that it's sheeting across the road. So, pretty heavy rain. Never ever experienced this. This feels like monsoon season. Monsoon never ever shows up here until September, October time. You can see the rain just pouring off across the neighbor's house, like right there. Well, all the vehicles will get a bath. Hopefully there's not a lot of dirt in this storm, but the problem with rain here is we always get really hectic wind, like this tree moving. We always get a dust storm in the middle of a rainstorm. It's just how it works. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. Focus. Beautiful, cool weather, though. It is really nice. Oh, there's a frog. Oh, there's the frog right there. Run, little frog, run. Run. We've had a lot of frogs in the last about month. Frogs showed up in June when it started raining, and they just haven't disappeared. We've been flooding my wife's garden. It's a good thing that I didn't come out here, and I told my wife the glue needed to dry, because The glue got another 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Got another 7 or 8 hours worth of dry time, so hopefully it's dry enough. But good thing we didn't water her garden like she wanted, because now it's pouring and raining. But, and then it just calmed. See that? The tree's not moving as much. The wind slowed down. The rain slowed down. It will do this all day. It'll just randomly stop raining for 5 minutes, and then it'll randomly start pouring out of nowhere, and then it will randomly just start sprinkling. It'll stop raining, and it'll go to sprinkle, and then it will drip, and then it will rain, and then, you know, it's just... The weather here is nuts. Especially when it rains. It's nuts. I wish the camera actually depicted exactly what it actually looked like. It's not this bright out here. To me, the clouds are this kind of medium dark gray. It's actually not this bright. I don't have the camera on pro mode. I probably should put it on pro mode. Oh, you can take photos now while you're recording on these Samsungs. That's nice. So this hue right here that looks like it's a bright pink and yellow and on the camera, it's actually more of a dark, dingy orange to me. Well, hi, Butter. I can't control the rain, buddy. But beautiful weather. Hopefully it will calm down, and I'll at least be able to diagnose my customer's overheat issue on his 2010 Dodge Charger. And you know, I don't know if I'll get the job, but I am doing the diagnostic for him. If the weather keeps up, though, there will be no diagnostic for today. But if it calms down, you know, and it's not raining, I will flat out tell him, yeah, come on by. We'll do a diagnostic, get everything set up. I forgot to bring my chains in. Those 2 chains right there. That's what I used to hang the skid plate when I painted that. But hope everybody has an awesome rest of your Sunday. Let me know in the comments what kind of weather you guys got. I am so tickled pink that Arizona's getting this beautiful weather in June, July, because this is the coolest summer I've ever had in this state. It's got to be around 60 degrees out here right now. It's just beautiful. And what's weird is all of this is happening at night. We've literally had storms since like June 3rd to now, and all of them have been at night. I mean, some of the days are, you know, 20 out of the last 40 something days it's been cloudy during the day, but there's been a few where it was just complete sun, and the max we hit was like 111, which was tolerable. But thanks guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Cats eat. Not sure where the other 5 cats are. They're running around here somewhere. They're probably underneath the Ford, hiding in the tarp, which I purposely left the tarp under the Ford so they can crawl up under there. There's a tarp right there. But well, we still haven't gotten my wife's shade cloth up yet because she hasn't finished assembling the shade cloth panels together, but don't really need it with this beautiful weather. And it's kind of, this beautiful weather has actually been really great for my wife's garden in the sense, because she can spend more time playing with her garden, less time putting structures and stuff up. We did get the structure completely up, as you saw when I walked over there, but you know, appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, Smush the bell notification for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace! Boom. Peace, guys.